Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying versions and gathering evidence. This avoids chasing the wrong problem. Check the widget and host app versions, then reproduce the failure while capturing console and network logs so you see the error sequence. Once done, disable browser extensions and clear cache or open an incognito window to rule out client-side interference. Make sure to note timestamps and any error codes. They speed diagnosis and guide the next configuration or code checks. Now dive into the middle steps. Inspect network requests to ensure the widget scripts and assets return 200 responses, correct MIME types and proper CORS headers because those silently block execution. Next, validate the initialization sequence. Confirm dependencies load in order, callbacks execute, and no race conditions exist. Also, compare runtime configuration, API keys, endpoints, and feature flags to what the widget expects. Mismatched environment values often cause finish by applying the identified fixes and restarting the host or reloading assets so the updated code and configs take effect. Once you've restarted, test the widget in the target environment and across browsers or devices to ensure consistent behavior. If the issue persists, collect a minimal reproducible case and include full logs, timestamps, and environment details before escalating. That information shortens investigation time. As a troubleshooting tip, try a clean environment snapshot to determine whether local state or deployment differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.